Hi beauties, in today's video I'm going to be showing you this easy pink polygel ombre nail set that you can do. So if you want to see how I did these, please keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Lazy Curl method by TiaBellaBeauty. So what I've done is applied primer to the nail tip, followed by a thin layer of base gel, and I'm using my Model 1 base gel for this nail set today. So for my thumb design, I'm just going to apply some of these glitters that I got from the Macart Hooked on Love collection. I'm just going to go ahead and dip into them with my wax pencil and just make a swirly line down the center of this nail. Also, if you are a new subscriber to my channel, definitely welcome. I love sharing videos of polygel and gel polish designs that I learn along the way. This is a beginner-friendly channel, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.
Funny how the tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are.
So for this design, I only want to use the pink hearts in this glitter, although there are pink and white hearts, and there seems to be like these little red lines, like sticks, but I only want the pink one. So that's why you see me dipping into this and kind of separating the glitters in here. Now once you are done applying your glitters, then I'm just going to flash cure this for about 10 seconds just to make sure that the glitter doesn't move when I go ahead and apply the poly gel to this nail. So now I'm just going to go in with the two colors that I'm going to be using for this ombre, and it's going to be this kind of pink from Beetles, dark pink, and as well as this pink bloom from Savillon. Now, one of the reasons I really like using this Lazy Girl method by TiaBellaBeauty, she's also changed the name to TiaBellaBeauty method as well, but there is so much work into filing and perfecting polygel. I have did it before. I did a video where I actually applied polygel to the top of the nail tip, and it took me hours, literally hours. Now, as a beginner, you're going to find many learning curves with polygel. So I find that when you're just starting out with polygel, this Lazy Girl method really does help you with your creativity and with practicing with polygel. I think for me, the hard work with polygel using the Lazy Girl method is just the patting. That's what takes a long time to get right. You want to make sure that it's evenly spread out through the nail, that there's no bubbles, that there's no clear gaps. And again, this is a learning curve as well. So this for me is the hard part because it takes a while for you to get used to this when you first start, you know, but this is better than filing. Like the issue with applying polygel to the top of my nail, or even with acrylics, like I've never done acrylics, but I will be trying that out. It's the filing that's the issue for me. Okay, so back to this video. Sorry for my little short rant. So once you are done patting your polygel into place, you're going to apply some base gel onto your nail and then apply the tip directly to the nail. Put your nail under the UV lamp for the recommended 120 seconds, and it should look just like this once you are done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my other nails, doing the same exact method of priming my nails, applying base gel, and then going ahead with the polygel ombre.
Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind, looking for a better place not to stay alone.
So I'm going to be doing the same exact design on my ring finger that I just did on my index finger. And so for my thumb finger, I going to do the same design on my middle finger. So I just want to show you what I'm going to be doing for my pinky finger. So basically I've already applied the base gel to this nail, and then for this nail I'm going to be doing a clear ombre. So I'm going to do the light pink to the base and then clear it to towards the end. And I want some cute little hearts to show through that clear, so I'm just going to apply some of those hearts to the tip of the nail and then follow up with the poly gel. So I'm going to let you watch this video for a little bit and then come right back after this.
Funny how the tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save this, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line.
All nails are finally done, so this is how my hand is looking so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my file and file around the edges just to make it a little bit more flush with my natural nails, and then take my buffer to remove that shine on the top of the nail. And that's how my hand is looking for right now. So you're going to go ahead and remove that dust, give your hand a good wash, and then we're going to go ahead with some base gel over the top of our nails.
Many times, feeling like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind. Looking for a
Okay, so now they are done under the UV lamp. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some top gel onto all of my nails. But for my ring finger as well as my index finger, I just want to add a little bit of bling. So I got these flat back rhinestones off of Amazon. So I'm just adding a few different sizes onto this nail just to give it a little bit of bling.
but inside held the fire waiting. Not a word that you say can save this, so don't try, 'cause this time you crossed the line. Funny how the tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred.
My nails are finally done, and this is how they look. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of lotion onto this dry skin and hands that I have, as well as some cuticle oil around my nails, and I am done. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you give the Lazy Girl method a try, as well as polygel, and I will see you in the next video.